What is a VPN? A virtual private network, VPN, is a technology that allows you to create a secure connection over a less secure network, such as the internet. It works by encrypting your data and sending it through a secure tunnel between your device and the VPN server. This helps protect your data from being intercepted by others and also masks your IP address, making your online activities more private. Key concepts associated with VPN. 1. Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting your data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted, meaning that even if someone intercepts it, they won't be able to read it without the encryption key. Example, when you're using public Wi Fi at a coffee shop, anyone on the same network could potentially see your data if it's not encrypted. With a VPN, your data is encrypted, so it's safe from prying eyes. 2. IP address masking. Your IP address is like your online home address. It tells websites where to send the data you request. A VPN masks your IP address by replacing it with the IP address of the VPN server. This makes it look like you're browsing from a different location. Example, if you're in India and connect to a VPN server in the US, websites will think you're browsing from the US. This can help you access content that's restricted to certain regions, like streaming services. Number 3, VPN server. A VPN server is a server that you connect to when you use a VPN. It acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet. When you connect to a VPN server, all your internet traffic goes through it before reaching the wider internet. Example, if you're using a VPN to access a blocked website, your request goes to the VPN server, which then accesses the website and sends the information back to you. This allows you to bypass censorship or geo-restrictions. 4. Tunneling protocols. Tunneling protocols are the rules that determine how data is transmitted over a VPN. Some common VPN protocols include OpenVPN, known for its strong security and flexibility. It's open source and widely used. L2TP IPsec, a combination of Layer 2 tunneling protocol, L2TP, and Internet Protocol Security Sec that offers strong encryption. IKv2 IPsec, Internet Key Exchange version 2, IKv2 is known for its speed and stability, especially on mobile devices. WireGuard, a newer protocol that's faster and more efficient with simpler code for easier auditing. Example, when you connect to a VPN using OpenVPN, your data is encrypted and sent through a secure tunnel to the VPN server, protecting it from being intercepted. 5. Types of VPN. Remote access VPN. This type allows users to connect to a private network remotely. It's commonly used by employees to access their company's network from outside the office. Example, a company employee working from home uses a remote access VPN to securely access files and applications on the company's internal network. Site-to-site VPN. This type connects two or more networks together over the internet. It's often used by businesses with multiple offices in different locations. Example, a company with offices in different cities uses a site-to-site VPN to connect their local networks, allowing employees to access resources as if they were in the same office. This type is used by individuals to secure their internet connection and protect their privacy. Example, a traveler using a public Wi-Fi network in an airport might use a personal VPN to prevent hackers from stealing their personal information. 6. No-log policy. A no-log policy means that the VPN provider doesn't keep records of your online activities. This is important for privacy, as it ensures that even the VPN provider can't see what you're doing online. Example, if you use a VPN with a no-log policy, even if someone tries to get your browsing history from the VPN provider, there would be nothing to hand over because no records are kept. 7. Kill switch. A kill switch is a security feature that automatically disconnects your device from the internet if your VPN connection drops. This prevents your data from being exposed. Example, if you're using a VPN to protect your online privacy and the VPN connection suddenly drops, the kill switch will kick in and disconnect you from the internet until the VPN is reconnected, ensuring that your data remains secure. Real-life use cases and examples. 1. Secure remote work. Many companies require employees to use a VPN to securely access the company's network when working remotely. This ensures that sensitive company data is protected even when accessed from outside the office. Example: an employee working from home uses a remote access VPN to securely log into the company's intranet and access confidential documents. 2. Bypassing geo-restrictions. VPNs are often used to access content that's restricted to certain geographic regions. For example, streaming services like Netflix may offer different content in different countries. By using a VPN, you can appear to be browsing from another country and access that content. Example: a user in India connects to a VPN server in the US to watch a show that's only available on the US version of Netflix. 3. Protecting privacy on public Wi Fi. Public Wi Fi networks, like those in coffee shops or airports, are often unsecured, making it easy for hackers to intercept your data. Using a VPN encrypts your data, keeping it safe from potential attackers. Example: while using public Wi Fi at an airport, a traveler uses a VPN to prevent hackers from stealing their credit card information while shopping online. 4. Avoiding censorship. In some countries, access to certain websites is restricted by the government. A VPN can help you bypass these restrictions and access blocked content by routing your connection through a server in another country. Example: a journalist in a country with strict internet censorship uses a VPN to access international news websites that are otherwise blocked. 5. Secure online shopping. Using a VPN while shopping online adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, especially when entering sensitive information like credit card details. Example: a user shopping on an unfamiliar e-commerce site uses a VPN to ensure that their payment information is encrypted and secure. Benefits of using a VPN: privacy protection. VPNs help keep your online activities private by masking your IP address and encrypting your data. Security. VPNs provide a secure way to browse the internet, especially on public networks. Access to restricted content. VPNs allow you to bypass geo-restrictions and access content that's not available in your region. Remote access. VPNs enable secure access to private networks from remote locations, which is essential for businesses. Limitations of VPNs. Speed reduction. Encrypting and routing your data through a VPN server can slow down your internet connection. Potential legal issues. In some countries, the use of VPNs is restricted or even illegal. Trust in the VPN provider. Since all your internet traffic goes through the VPN server, you need to trust that the VPN provider won't misuse your data. Conclusion: a VPN is a powerful tool for enhancing online privacy and security. Whether you're working remotely, accessing restricted content, or simply trying to protect your data on public Wi Fi, a VPN can provide the protection you need. However, it's important to choose a reputable VPN provider and be aware of the potential limitations.